Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am here with 12th standard mathematics question paper CBSE 2023. Today I am going to solve first semester, that is first in the session A, multiple choice questions. So the question number A is, if A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is 6, then find the value of determinant of adjoint of A. So here to find, the given is determinant of A equals 6, then we need to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is question mark. So here we know that adjoint of A equals determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. So now adjoint of A is determinant of A. So here the order of the matrix is given as 3. So n is nothing but n is the order. So n here is 3. So substituting the n value here, 3 minus 1. So adjoint of A will be, adjoint of A is determinant of A into 2. So now they have given the value of determinant of A, that is 6. So it will be 6 square, that will be 6 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Therefore adjoint of A is 36. So hence we find the answer, that is 36. Moving the second question, we have find the value of integral of 0 to pi by 6 sine 3x dx. So here given is 0 to pi by 6 sine 3x dx. So here integration of sine is nothing but minus cos 3x divided by 3. So here we have upper limit and lower limit. That will be, the sign will be here, it should be inside the bracket, that will be minus of cos 3x divided by 3. The upper limit is pi by 6, lower limit is 0. So we need to simplify this. We can take minus 1 by 3 as constant. So we get cos 3x here pi by 6 divided, that is upper limit is pi by 6. So we can write here, that is minus 1 by 3, upper limit cos 3. We have to substitute the value of x as the upper limit, that is upper limit minus lower limit we should do. Upper limit is pi by 6. Then again it is minus of upper limit minus lower limit cos 3, lower limit is 0. You should substitute in the place of x. So here we get, here it is minus 1 by 3 cos, here 3 ones are 3 twos are, so it will become pi by 2, that is 90 degree, minus cos 3 into 0 is 0, cos 0. So we know that 1 by 3 cos 90 degree is, cos 90 degree is 0 minus cos 0 is 1. So here it becomes minus 1 by 3 into minus 1. That will be nothing but, that is equal to, minus into minus become plus 1 by 3. So hence this is the answer for the given question, that is plus 1 by 3. That is your D section answer. The third question is, if A vector, B vector and some of the vectors are all unit vectors and the theta is the angle between A and B, then find the value of theta. So here given is A vector plus B vector. A vector plus B vector is a unit vector, that is 1. Now what we need to do is, we will square both the sides. Squaring both the sides, we get A vector plus B vector whole square is equals to 1 square. So it will be A vector plus B vector dot A vector plus B vector. Square means we can write them 2 times. 1 into 1 is 1. Now we need to simplify this. So we will take A into A dot A vector plus A into B, that will be A vector dot B vector. Then we'll go for the next one, plus B vector dot A vector. Then next one, plus into plus is plus B vector dot B vector is equals to 1. So here what we get here A vector whole square plus 2 times of A vector dot B vector plus B vector whole square is equals to 1. Now we know that A vector is 1, so it will be 1 square plus 2 times of, we can convert this into in the form of formula, that is A vector dot B vector according to the vector formula into cos theta. Then plus B vector is nothing but 1, it's 1 square is equals to 1. Now 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 2 determinant of A vector dot determinant of B vector or mod of A vector cos theta plus 1 square is 1 is equals to 1. Now if you add this 1 and 1, we get 2 plus 2 mod of A vector dot B vector into cos theta is equals to 1. So if you send this plus to other side, it becomes minus. So it will be 2 into, and that is a mod of A vector and B vector is 1 1 again, 1 and 1 dot cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2. So here it will be 2 cos theta is equals to minus 1. Cos theta will be minus 1 divided by 2. Now we want to find the value for cos theta. So here theta will be cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So here we can get theta is cos inverse of minus, whenever we get for cos we should write pi minus. Whenever we get minus sign for finding the angle, we should write for cos minus pi minus. Pi minus 1 by 2 value is pi by 3, that is 60 degrees. So here theta will be cos inverse of, here it is how much, it is, if you take LCM it will be 3 into 3 into 1, so it will be 3 pi minus pi, so it will become what, theta will be cos inverse of 2 pi by 3. So the value of theta is what, theta is 2 pi by 3, hence it is proved. So the answer is 2 pi by 3, that is your A option. The projection, question number 4, the projection of the vector I on a vector I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is. So here the asking is how to find the projection. So what is projection? Projection of vector A vector on B vector is given by, the given formula is given by A vector dot B vector divided by mod of B vector. So here we have got here projection of vector A. So here vector A is I cap, that is we can write A vector equals I cap. If you don't have j, we can write 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. 0 j cap in plus 0 k cap. Then B vector is, and on B vector, your B vector will be I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is, we have to substitute the values in the formula. So we get equals I cap, if there is no number it is 1, plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap dot of I cap, that is no number is 1, plus I j cap, again no number is 1, plus 2 k cap divided by root of, magnitude of A is nothing but root of the number values what we have for B, that will be 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. That will be, now how to simplify this, we have to multiply this number, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 1 is 0 plus 0 into 2 is 0 divided by root of 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 2 2s are 4. So here we get equals 1 divided by root of 4 5 6, it is 6. So the answer for the given projection is 1 by root 6. So that is your first answer, A option. Question number 5, the family has 2 children and the elder child is a girl. The probability that both children are girls. So here the given is the family has 2 children and elder children is a girl. So here S will be sample space, that is S will be, there should be two children and elder children should be a girl, so it can be G and G, then it can be G and B, G and G and G and B. So yeah, that will be n of S will be 2. So two elements we got, two answers we got, two output we got. Now next one is the probability that the both children are girls. We have to select n of A, or we can take A. A will be selection of a probability that both children are girls. So it can be G and G. So it will be G and G. It can be n of A is equals to 1. So now we need to find the P, that is probability of both children both children are girls. So that will be both children and girls will be n of A divided by n of S. That will be 1 divided by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Question number 6 is the vector equation of a line which passes through the point 2 minus 4 and 5 and is parallel to the line x plus 3 by 3, 4 minus 5 by 3 by 2 equals z plus 8 by 6. So here the line is passing through the point, passes through the point a cap, a vector is 2I. We have to take this and write in the form of vector 2I cap minus 4j cap plus 5j cap, 5k cap. So this is your value for A. Now what we need to find? We need to find R parallel to the line. To the line means we have this values 3, 2 and 6. Those will become your numbers for the vector B. So the vector B will be 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. So this is the line which is parallel to the given line. Then the vector equation, we need to write the vector equation. The vector equation of the line passing through a part, a point and parallel to the line, to the given line is they've given the formula, that is R vector is equals to A vector plus lambda B vector. So here R vector will be equal to A is 2I cap plus minus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus lambda B is 3I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. So this is your required vector equation of the given plane. So where we get the answer is 2I minus 4j plus 5k, 3I plus 2j plus that is your C answer. Moving to the next question number 7. For which value of x are the determinant equal? So we need to find the value of x. So it is given as, so yeah, we need to find the formula for x. That is x into x will be 2x into x will be 2x square. That will be equal to minus. We need to minus it. Minus of. Then we need to write next to multiply these two terms. That will be 5 into minus 3 will be minus 15 equals. Next 10 into 2 is 20. 20 minus of minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So here it will become 2x cube plus 15 minus equals 23. So here 2x square will be 23 minus 15. So 2x square will be 8. Then x square will be 8 by 2. So yeah, 8 by 2. Certainly x square equals 8 by 2 is 4. 4 by 1, that is x square is equals to 4. So now x square is equals to 4 means we want x, that will be x will be plus or minus root of 4, that will be x is equals to minus 2. So this is the answer for the given question. So where do we have this in the options? We have plus or minus 2, that is C option. Question number 8 says the value of the cofactor of the element of third row, third column. So this is first row, first, second row, third row. This will be first column, second column, third column. So here the formula we have is Aij is equals to minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 Mij. Now what is your I and j? They've given I is equals to 2 and j is equals to 3. So we need to find A23 is equals to minus 1 to the power of, here n is how much? Here n is 23. 23 minus 1 m1 2. So here it will be how much? 23 minus 1 will be 22. So this will become positive. Positive of m1 by 2. m1 by 2, what is m1 by 2? We have to select the elements 4, 3, 1 and 2. So it will be plus of 4, 3, 1 and 2. Now find the answer for this. It will be 4 into 2 is 8 minus 3 into 1 is 3. So the answer is 5. So A23 is 5. Okay. Which is there in the option that is 5. 5. That is your first option. Then next one. Find the difference of the order and the degree of the differential equation is the difference of the order and the degree. The difference of the order and the degree of the differential equation, the given equation is d square y by dx square whole square plus dy by dx whole cube plus x power 4 is equals to 0. So here the highest power derivative, the highest power of derivative is called order, and the power raised the power raised to highest order, highest derivative power is called degree. That is nothing but, here in this equation we can see the highest power, that is the highest derivative is square. So here order is 2. The characteristic polynomial of the highest derivative is called as the degree. That is the power of the highest derivative. That will be here the highest power of the derivative of the highest is 2. So the degree will be 2. Degree is 2. Question number 10. If matrix A is 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 1, and it is given as a square is equals to ka. So we need to find a square. So what is a square? A square is a into a. So a square we get it as 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and into again 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 1. So we'll do multiplication of a matrix, that is first row first column we will multiply. That will be 1 into 1 is 1, minus into minus become plus, 1 into 1 is 1. Then you will go to first row, second column. So that will be 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Then we'll go for the next row, that is second row, first column. Second row, first column, that will be minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, plus into minus is minus, 1 into 1 is 1. Then we'll go for the second row, second column. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. Then no sign means it is plus, plus into plus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So yeah, if you simplify, we get a square is 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2. So this is our a square. Now we'll take the equation and substitute the value, that is a square is equals to ka. A square is 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, and then it is k. What is our a value? A is 1 minus 1 and 1. Now multiply the k inside the matrix, that will become k minus k minus k and 1. Now this side we have 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2. Now we need to find the value of k. You can take any one of the values. So if I'll take here 2, so I'll take this first element for first element equals first element, that will, therefore the k value will be 2 according to the given problem. Question number 11 is integration of cos 2x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. We have to find the value for this. So given is cos 2x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. So we know that cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x can also be written as cos square x minus sin square x, denominator as it is, sin square x into cos square x dx. Now separating the numerator, we get, by separating the numerator we get cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx minus integral of sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. So now the like terms in denominator and numerator get cancelled. So here cos and cos, and here sin and sin. So the remaining term will be, left out will be integral of 1 by sin square x dx and minus of 1 by cos square x dx. So yeah, 1 by sin is nothing but it is called, it will be cosecant square x dx. Then minus 1 by cos is nothing but secant square x dx. So the formula for cosecant square x is minus cot x, minus of, formula for secant square x is tan x plus c. So the value is minus cot x minus tan x plus c. That is your B answer. Question number 12 is the integral factor of the differential equation. The differential equation given is 3x square plus y into dx by dy is equals to x. So now we can write this as 3x square plus y divided by x. We'll send this both term other side, it will become reciprocal, dy by dx. So yeah, we get dy by dx equals 3x square plus y divided by x. Now separating the numerator, we get dy by dx will be 3x square divided by x plus y divided by x. So now we can write this as dy by dx will be, x and x get cancelled, so we get 3x plus y by x. So now it can be rearranged and written as dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equals to 3x. So here the general form we got is dy by dx. The general form we got is dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equals to 3x. We know that the formula for finding the integral factor, that is equation is to compare dy by dx minus, it will be plus pq is equals to dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Now when you compare these two equation, we get the value of p as p will be minus 1 by x and q will be 3x. So the integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of p dx. So now by substituting this value in integral factor, we get if integrating factor equals e to the power of p is minus 1 by x dx. So yeah, integral of 1 by x is log x, it is minus log x dx, minus log x. So yeah, we can write minus log x as e log of 1 by x. So here if integrating factor. Now e and log will get cancelled. We get if integrating factor as 1 by x, which is your option A. Moving with the question 13, the point which lies in the half plane is we have to check which point is lying in the half plane. So yeah, we can check with taking 0 and 8. So we take 0 and 8, substitute that in the place of x and y. So minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. So your x value is, this is x and this is y. So substitute x and y in the equation, we get 2 into 0 plus y is 8 minus 4 is less than 0. That will be 8 minus 4 is less than 0. Then 4 is less than or equal to 0. It is not true. It is not true. It is not lying. The point 0 comma 8 is not lying in the plane, in the half plane. Then next you go for the next one. We'll take the second point 1 comma 1. So here 1 comma 1 is a 2x plus y minus 4 equals is less than or equal to 0. So substitute the value, it will be 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. That will be 2 plus 1 minus 4 is less than 0. Then 3 minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Then minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Yeah, it is true here. So here it is not true actually, here it is false because 4 is not less than 0. Here it is false. The value here is false. So next point, third point they have given as 5 comma 5. Substituting in the equation, we get 2 into 5 plus y is again 5 minus 4 less than or equal to 0. 5 2s are 10 plus 5 minus 4 less than or equal to 0. That is 10 plus 5 is 15 minus 4 less than or equal to 0. 15 minus 4 is 11 less than or equal to 0. It is also false because it is greater than 0. It is false. Then move to the last point we have, that is 2 comma 2. So here 2 comma 2. So the equation is 2x plus y minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. 2 into 2 plus 2 minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. 4 plus 2 minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. 6 minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Then minus 2 minus plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. It is also false. So here, which is true, which point is lying on the plane? It is 1 comma 1 is lying on the plane, which is true value. Question number 14, if cos x to the power of y is equals to cos y to the power of x, then dy by dx. So here to find it is exponential function, we have to take the logarithm for both the sides. Taking, it is given cos x to the power of y is equals to cos y to the power of x. So we have to take taking log both the side, taking log both sides, we get log of cos x to the power of y is equals to log of cos y to the power of x. So this power what we have, when we take log, this power will come in the front, that will be y log cos x is equals to x log cos y. Now if you differentiate this given function, if you differentiate with respect to x, we get y as it is first term as it is, differentiation of second term, that will be 1 by x, 1 by cos x, log of cos x means 1 by cos x. Again we should do differentiation for cos x, that will be minus sin x, then equals plus we'll be taking for the second part, that will be y differentiation is dy by dx, and the second term will be as it is. We are using the product rule where we will be doing one term will be as it is, second term will differentiate, then second term will differentiate, first term will be as it is. So here equals the second part, x as it is, differentiation of log of cos y will be 1 by cos y, differentiation of cos y is minus sin y, and for differentiation of y is dy by dx. We need to do for y because we have a different variable. Then plus differentiation of x is 1, left out will be cos log cos y. So now we have y minus sin by cos is minus tan x, sin by cos is tan, plus dy by dx log of cos x, minus if you take this other side, it will be x, it will be minus tan y dy by dx, tan y into dy by dx minus log of cos y is equals to 0. So now we got everything this other side. Now we need to write here separate dy by dx term, and the remaining one will shift other side. So it will be dy by dx, if you take common we get log cos x, minus into minus become plus it will be x tan y equals, now we will send this other side, this minus goes other side become plus log cos y minus of this, plus into minus is minus, if it goes other side become again plus y tan x. Now dy by dx will be log cos y plus y tan x divided by log cos x plus x tan y. Rearranging in writing according to the answer what they've given, first we will be writing y tan x plus log y, log cos y divided by x tan y plus log cos x is the answer. That is, your answer is D. Then the question number 15, it is given that x is 3, x into 3 to 1 minus 1 is equals to 4, 1, 2, 3. Then so the for question number 15, it is given that x 3 to 1 minus 1 is equals to 4, 1, 2, 3. It is a system of equations of matrix. Okay. So here we have, this is in the form of a x a is equals to b. Multiplying by multiply by a inverse both the sides. So we get x a inverse is equals to b into a inverse. Now we have x a into a inverse is nothing but identity matrix, that will be b into a inverse. So identity matrix into any matrix will give us the same value. So it will be x b into a inverse. So here call this as equation 1. Now they've given here, the given question is, they've given the value of a. What is the value of a given? A is 3, 2, 1 and minus 1. Then b is 4, 1, 2 and 3. Here according to the equation we need to find a inverse. So what is a inverse? A inverse is 1 by determinant of a into adjoint of a. So a inverse, determinant of a will be 1, 3, 1 minus 1. Cross multiplication of the principal diagonal element, that will be 1 into 3 is minus 3 minus of, multiply this other principal diagonal element, 2 into 1 is 2. So that will be minus 5. So now what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A will be the element which is there in the principal in the matrix A. Principal diagonal elements will be interchanged. That is minus 1 will go up and 3 will come down. Then the element in the other matrix will be, say, changing with the sign. So if it is plus, it will become minus. If it is become plus, it will become minus. So this is the adjoint of A. So write it in the place of inverse formula. So A inverse will be 1 by minus 5 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 3. Now substituting this A inverse in equation 1, we get x equals, B is 4, 1, 2 and 3 into 1 by minus 5, 1 by minus 5 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 3. So now we will be, then we have here x is equals to 1 by minus 5 we'll write here, and then we'll multiply this to matrices. So if we multiply this to matrix, we get first row and first column multiplication. We get 4 into 1 is 4, that is minus 4. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then we'll go for the second row, first row, second column. 4 into minus 2 is 4 2s are 8, plus 1 into 3 is 3. Then we'll go for second row. Second row, first column will multiply. Second row, first column. We get here 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Then minus plus into minus is minus. 3 into 1 is 3. Then we'll go for second row, second column. 2 into 2 is minus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9. So here, if you simplify this part, we get x is equals to 1 by minus 5 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 and plus 5. So now we will take this x, that is 1 by 5, inside the determinant, inside the matrix we get x equals, if you divide, you get minus 5 divided by minus 5, minus 5 divided by minus 5, minus 5 divided by minus 5, 5 divided by minus 5. So the answer we get x as is 1, 1, 1 and minus 1. That is your option C. Question number 16 is, if ABCD is a parallelogram. So if you take ABCD as a parallelogram, if I take ABCD as a parallelogram, if ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal of the parallelogram, then we need to prove that AC plus BD is, what is the value of AC plus BD. So here we will prove it as, now in a parallel, that is, if ABCD is a parallelogram, then, so if it is a parallelogram, we can say that AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Now, since it is parallel to BC, according to the addition theorem, we have AC vector can be written as, AC vector can be written as, AC vector can be written as AB, AB plus BC. We should add this two, that is AB vector plus BC vector. Similarly we can write BD vector equals DA AD plus CD, or we can take it as BD vector can be written as dA AD vector plus CD vector. BA, that will be BA BA plus AD. Addition here. So now we need to add this both. We get AC plus BD. AC plus BD is AB vector plus BC vector plus BA vector plus AD vector. So here we get AB vector plus BC vector. There if you interchange the terms in the vector, the sign changes, that will be minus, the direction changes, that will be AB vector plus, now we have AD vector is given as what? AD vector is equal to AD vector is equals to BC because they are parallel to each other. Then we can see that here AB and AB get cancelled. We get 2 times of BC vector. So AC vector plus BD vector will be equal to 2 times of BC vector. So the answer is C. Question number 17. If x is equals to a cos, if x is equals to theta plus b sin theta and y equals a sin theta minus b cos theta, they're asking you to find then which of the one of the following is true. We have to find which equation is satisfying this given variable. Differentiating with respect to theta here, so dx by d theta will give us a cos is minus sin theta plus b sin theta will be cos theta. So it will be minus a sin theta plus b cos theta. So this will be dx by d theta. So similarly, will differentiate y with respect to theta. We get dy by d theta will be a cos theta minus b cos theta will be minus sin theta. So it will become a cos theta minus into minus become plus b sin theta. So this is your dy by d theta value. Then double differentiation of this, we can write this as dy by dx. Dy by dx will be dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. That will be a cos theta plus b sin theta divided by minus a sin theta plus b cos theta. So this is your dy by dx. So now we get dy by dx equals a cos theta plus b sin theta is nothing but it is our x value. So we can write it as x divided by, here it is minus y value, minus y. So if you take dy by dx, if this minus comes this side it will become plus x by y is equals to 0. Or we can keep, or this we can keep that as dy by dx is equals to minus x by y. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get d square y by dx square will be, this will be product, that is quotient rule. Quotient rule says that u by v whole dash will be vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So here our v is your y and u is your x. So it will become v, that is y, and u dash, that is x dash will be 1 minus 1. Then it will be minus of minus, that it will be minus of u is equals to x minus x, minus into minus become plus x. V dash will be dy by dx divided by v square. V square will be y square. So send this y square other side, we get y square d square y by dx square is equals to minus y plus x dy by dx. Now shifting all other side, we get d square y by y square d square y by dx square plus plus comes other side become minus x dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. So the answer for the given question is the first one. Question number 18 is to find the corner points of the bounded feasible region on the LPP is 0, 0, 250, 0, and 250, 0, 175. Find the if the maximum value of the objective function is zax plus by occurring in the point, then the relation between a and b. We have to find the relation between a and b. So here they've given here. We'll first find the points what they have given corner points. We'll find the values for the corner points. So here the corner point is given as first one is 0 comma 0. So here it is corner point, and then the equation. The equation is z is equals to z equals 2ax plus by. So the first point we have is 0 comma 0. So here first point is 0 comma 0, that we can call it as a point a, which is 0 comma 0. Point a as 0 comma 0, that will be we'll be substituting x. This is x and this is y value. So if you substitute here to get 2 into 0 plus b into 0, that is 2a into 0 is nothing but 0 itself. Then we'll take the second point. The second point is 250, that is a. So this is o and this is a. A is 250 comma 0, that will be 2a into 250 plus b into 0, that will be nothing but 250 into 2 is 500, 500 a. So the second value we get it as 500 a. Then the third one b is 250, 200 comma 50. So x value is 200, 2a into 200 plus b into 50. So that will be 2 into 2 is 4, 400 a, that will equal to 400 a plus 50 b. Then we'll go for the last, that is the third one. Next one, c is 0 comma 175, that will be 2a into 0 plus b into 175, that will be 175b. Since the given maxima is at the point A and B, since the maximum value Z max is given at the point A and B, comparing these two values of A and B, we get that is 500A is equals to 400A plus 50B. So now 400 takes other side, it will become 500A minus 400A is equals to 50B. Then 500 minus 400 is 100A is equals to 50B. Then A will be, the 0 and 0 get cancelled. Then it will be 10 divided by 5, A is equals to B. So 10 divided by 5, A is equals to B. Then 5 once time, 5 two times, that will be 2A is equals to B is the relation of A and B in the given graph. So it is 2A is equals to B. That is option A answer. Next point, next question, that is assertion. And the question number 19 and 20 is assertion and reasoning. So here the principal value of a cot inverse of root 3. Cot inverse of root 3. We need to find here, let y is equals to cot inverse of root 3. Then taking this cot other side become cot y is equals to root 3. Then cot y is equals to cot pi by 6. So cot and cot cancel. We get y is equals to pi by 6, which is true for the first one. Statement 1. Assertion is true. Then we have a domain of cot inverse of x is r minus 0 comma pi, where here it is minus 1 comma 1, which is a false. The reasoning is false. So the answer for us is assertion is true. Both assertion A and B are true. R is wrong. Both assertion A and reasoning are true. No. Assertion A is true, but reasoning R is false. Question number 20. Quadrilateral formed by the vertices A, B, C and D is a rhombus. So to prove rhombus, we need to prove that A, B will be equal to BC. AB will equal to BC, that will be equal to CD, and that will be equal to DA. So we'll be proving that all the four sides are equal, and we'll prove that the diagonal, that is BD, will be equal to CD. We have to check all these elements are equal. So to prove it, we can take three-dimensional geometry. We can take, yeah. It is three dimensions, so we can take AB will be root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So now if you take this, the values of A and B, that is A is 0, 0, 0, and B is 3, 4 and 5. So now if you take this 3 3 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 0 whole square, 5 minus 0 whole square, that will be 9. 3 into 3 is 9, plus 4 4 is 16, plus 5 5 is 25. That will be root 50. Root 50 can be written as 25 into 2, that will be 5 root 2. So that AB will be 5 root 2. Then similar to that, we'll be finding AB, then they have given BC. We'll be finding for BC, B and C. B and C will be root of same formula will apply. Here the values of B and C is B is 3 4 5, B is 3 4 5, and C is 8 8 8. C is 8 8 8. So we'll again take this 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 plus 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 plus 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 whole square. So it will be, yeah, 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. So that will be, again it will be 25, 25 plus 16 plus 9, that is nothing but 50. So root 50 can be written as 25 root 2. So this is BC. We found BC. Now we'll move on for the next one. Next one we have is CD. C and D. So the first one assertion is true. We need to prove the second part, that it is saying here AC is not equal to BD. So we'll prove AC. AC is that is A is 0 comma 0 comma 0 and C is 8 comma 8 comma 8. So if you prove this, that will be, that equals 8 minus 0. So 8 minus 0 square plus 8 minus 0 square plus 8 minus 0 square. So it will be 8 square is 64 plus 64 plus 64. AC. AC is root of 192. Then going with the next one, we have, that is BD. B is 3 comma 4 comma 5 and D is 5 comma 4 comma 3. So if you take this 2, we get 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. 3 minus 5 whole square. That will be 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 square plus 0 square plus minus 2 square. So it will be 4 plus 4. That will be root 8. That is BD. Where we can say that AC is not equal to BD. Hence the assertion is also true. Therefore, the answer for this is assertion A is true and uh, assertion A, assertion A and reasoning A are true and reasoning A is what? So here the answer will be A. So we have completed all 1 mark questions. Hope you people have understood. If you have any doubts or any questions, you can just write in the comment box. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching.